तो वो सब अपने हिसाब से ही करेगा। कर रहा है।
तो एक और एजेंट भेजा गया है।
दो तरह के लोग तुम्हारे पास आते हैं,
लेकिन भूल रहे हो।
कबीर, वो अब
कबीर को आज तक कोई एजेंट पकड़ नहीं पाया,
क्योंकि उसे लगता है कि वह सही है और जो भी कर रहा है सही हाथ से निकलता जा रहा है।
खालिद के जैसा मुझे पकड़ने के लिए।
और ऐसे ही किसी को भी मारता रहेगा। वो बहुत खतरनाक हो गया है
और नहीं पकड़ पाएगा।
War 2 official trailer 2025, the action saga returns with a bang. The much-anticipated official trailer for War 2 has finally dropped, and it promises to be bigger, bolder, and more explosive than ever before. Directed by Ian McKerjee, this sequel to the 2019 blockbuster War has already set social media ablaze with its electrifying visuals and intense action sequences. Fans of high-octane action and thrilling storytelling are in for a treat. A Clash of Titans. The trailer opens with a gripping montage of breathtaking landscapes, from snow-covered mountains to neon-lit cityscapes. Hrithik Roshan reprises his role as Kabir, the charismatic and deadly agent who won hearts in the first installment. This time, Kabir is joined by NTR Jr., the South Indian superstar, in what appears to be a battle of wits, fists, and ideologies. The chemistry between Hrithik and NTR Jr. is palpable, with their scenes together exuding tension and mutual respect. Whether they're allies or adversaries remains a mystery, but one thing is certain, their dynamic will be a highlight of the film. Next-level action sequences. If you thought the stunts in War were jaw-dropping, War 2 takes it to a whole new level. The trailer teases high-speed car chases, gravity-defying combat, and meticulously choreographed fight scenes. From Kabir leaping off a skyscraper to NTR Jr. engaging in a hand-to-hand showdown in a rain-soaked alley, the action is nothing short of spectacular. The inclusion of cutting-edge VFX and innovative cinematography adds an extra layer of polish to the visuals. A scene involving a high-speed train chase is already being hailed as one of the most thrilling sequences in Indian cinema. A global espionage thriller. War 2 expands its narrative to a global scale, with the story spanning multiple countries and involving a high-stakes mission that could change the world order. The trailer hints at a shadowy antagonist pulling the strings, with glimpses of a mysterious figure who could be the mastermind behind the chaos. The film's background score, composed by Preetam, amplifies the intensity of the trailer, blending orchestral elements with modern beats to create a pulsating rhythm that matches the action on screen. Star-studded cast and stellar direction. In addition to Hrithik Roshan and NTR Jr., the film features a stellar supporting cast, including Kiara Advani in a pivotal role. Her brief appearance in the trailer hints at her character's importance in the narrative, possibly as a key ally or a femme fatale. Director Ian McKerjee, known for his visually stunning films, seems to have brought his signature style to War 2. His vision for the film combines heart-pounding action with emotional depth, ensuring that the story resonates with audiences while keeping them on the edge of their seats. Release date and expectations. War 2 is set to release in theaters worldwide on October 2, 2025, coinciding with Gandhi Jayanti, ensuring a long weekend for moviegoers. The T.